Hi, I'm Jeannie Fang, and I'm at Destination Britain in Playa del Carmen with Rob Jones, who is with Visit Wales. And today we're going to talk about the exciting things you can do in Wales. Rob, thank you for meeting with me.
You're most welcome. As we say in Welsh, croeso, which is the Welsh for welcome in Wales as well. So when you come to Wales, there's a full-on Welsh welcome for
Oh,
everybody. And to
oh,
immerse yourself in the history, the heritage, the culture of Wales.
oh, I got to see that.
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah.
As I mentioned, as Welsh are so welcoming, we just love to welcome people and find out more about you and love to show you our amazing country and what we've got to offer in terms of the history, the heritage, the culture, the over 600 castles,
Oh.
five-star accommodation, excellent activity destination, the food's amazing. I can go on and on and on and on.
Right, right. So with so many options, what would you say are the must-visit highlights for first-time visitors?
Well, for first-time visitors, obviously you cannot come to Wales without experiencing a castle. As I mentioned, we've got over 600 of them. So whether that's coming to visit them as an attraction or coming to stay one as a guest in maybe five-star luxury, pretending to be a queen or a princess or a king or a prince for the evening. There's that, obviously, just from London, which we are only about an hour and 40. You can be in our capital city, which is Cardiff.
Okay.
Easy to get around. You can immerse yourself in maybe a theatre or food tours, walking tours, adventure, and just basing yourself there and using that as a base. You can go and explore our 3 national parks, or if you are into sort of history, the heritage, walking, the scenery, dark skies, the list goes on.
Oh, what's the best time of year to visit?
Best time to visit, I would say maybe sort of April, May, June, and then going into the September, maybe into October time as well. July and August is always good, but obviously it's school vacation. So if you're not too keen on maddening crowds, then come out in the smaller seasons, I would suggest.
Gotcha, gotcha. Nice. And what would you say, or what kind of travelers would you say you're tailored towards?
Well, we welcome any ages. If you're 0 to 110, please come. There's anything and everything for everybody. Whether you're a young thrill seeker wanting to do some sort of zip lining, or even if you're just wanting the quieter side of life and wanting to go to nice afternoon teas, staying at luxury hotels, or go for some spa pampering. There's anything and everything for all ages in Wales.
Yeah, something for everyone. That's
Definitely,
awesome.
definitely.
Yeah. And so what are some new things that you have going on in 2026?
Lots going on in 26. The just newly opened is the refurbishment of Caerphilly Castle, their banqueting hall there. So as I mentioned, going to a castle, that's something new to experience as well. There's new accommodations you can come and visit as well, a few more attractions, and also there's lots of events happening in 26 as well, whether they be from sporting events, pop concerts, or food festivals. And also there's our main tradition, which is Eisteddfod, which is a celebration of singing, dancing, and poetry festival that you can come and experience. It only happens in Wales, and it's been happening since 1176.
Yeah.
And come to experience that, I would definitely recommend.
Oh, yeah, that sounds like it'd be really fun.
It is a fun event,
Do you
definitely.
perform there at all?
I have done when I was a child.
Oh, wow,
I've sang there a few times.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a traditional of Welsh singing, poetry,
Yeah.
culture. It's superb, just to getting to know a bit of the land and the culture of Wales.
Oh, very fun. You have to add that to itinerary.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Sounds good. Sounds
Yeah,
good.
speaking of itineraries, like what are some resources that travel advisors can use or leverage to build better itineraries for
Well,
visiting
obviously, if you go onto our website, visitwales.com, or on traveltrade.com, you can immerse yourself in everything and anything that you want to know about Wales. There's a few itineraries on those websites as well, and they'll point you in the right directions for guides, accommodation, and how to get to and travel around there as well.
Okay, awesome. That's great to hear.
Brilliant.
And then, is there anything else you want to tell our 128,000 travel advisors?
Well, only thing I would say, make sure you put Wales as your top destination to visit, because I mentioned being very biased and quite passionate about Wales, it is a must-see. Whether you are traveling into London, please put Wales on your map. You will not be disappointed in whatever level of stuff you're looking for. It's anything and everything in Wales. So please come and visit us. There's a croeso mawr I chi gyd. There's a big Welsh welcome waiting for you all to immerse yourself in the best holiday you'll ever have.
Awesome. Yes, I look forward to that Welsh welcome.
Definitely, we'll be waiting for you in open arms.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for meeting
You're
with
welcome.
me,
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I'm Jeannie Fang, and this is Insider Travel Report.